Well, hello everyone. It is Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida, and I got a special treat for you today. What we're going to be doing is replacing these Defiant lever handle locks with some storeroom function locks on these doors today. So what we're going to be doing is taking these off, and we're going to be installing these Dexter heavy-duty lever handles on these doors right here. So let's get ourselves together. We're going to go ahead and put this, get our tools here, get this door ready to go so we can start installing these locks as soon as possible. This is a Defiant lever. You can probably find that over there at Home Depot. So what we're going to do is we're going to get this turned over here as such, just like that. There you go, Skylar Alexander coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. This is how it goes. So what we're going to do right now, we're going to set this right over there. We're going to go ahead and begin to unscrew these old blocks here. Put this guard latch on here, didn't put it on correctly. Take the lever handle apart so you push the retainer in. That takes the handle off. Set that aside. Set that aside. This on the outside. This in. Such. Then go ahead and take the locking plate down. Boy, the factory really crammed that bearings. We crammed that clutch in there pretty good. This is actually the clutch that assists the lock in moving, open, and closing. There. Goes there. There. It goes there. And there it is. You're going to use the key. And we're going to retract the bolt just like that. And it works perfectly. There it is. Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy installed the door. We'll go ahead and put this back on here just like that. And we will have this job completed. We got 3 more to do. If you have any questions, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy coming to you live right here in sunny South Florida. As you can see, you can turn the outside handle. As you can see, you can turn the outside handle, nothing happens because this is the new style with the clutch. You actually have to use the key, and once you use the key, you turn it, retracts the bolt, and the door opens up beautifully. So what we'll do right now, go ahead and shut this. Locked up, you can turn it, nothing happens. Turn this and open the door. There it is, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy installed. We're gonna go install the other one and get it done. I hope you enjoyed that little educational video. That lock air, if you're looking for one of those, you're probably looking at around $200 plus installation on these. So there it is, there it is, clutch. Turn the key to open it up. So there you go, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy. We actually just installed this one over here. This is the same type. This key goes in here as such. Turn the key, and we go ahead and open the door as well. So there you go. You have it, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy. If you have any questions, don't hesitate. There you go, Mr. Jeffs. Let me tell you something. Whether we're talking about levers on commercial buildings, as a matter of fact, I do all of the extra space storages throughout sunny South Florida here. So they got me going to all their locations. We install locks on their aluminum storefront doors, the glass doors, this here, mailbox slots. We handle them all. So we have about, I don't know, 20 or 25 complexes that we run around to and install locks each and every day. Whether we're talking about Lamborghini, Ferrari, Rolls-Royce, classic vehicles, Porsches, Mr. Sunshine Locksmith Eddy knows the game better than anybody. 561-693-8636, Mr. Sunshine Live. Hey, Danny, look at this. We've got this is locked up. This is the Dexter clutch storeroom function lever. I just installed it. We actually going to be putting some more in here. As a matter of fact, I have the rest of the boxes over there for the 2 I put here. I've got 4 more to put in. These Dexters, I highly recommend them, Danny. You can get them over there at HL Flake. It's a lot better than the junk that they had on there, the Defiant lever. So there it is, Mr. Sunshine Live. You can see my videos on YouTube, Instagram, and yes, of course, here on Facebook. Pick up that phone and call me now.